Hello everyone, welcome to Suprema Connect. I'm Krista, in charge of overseas sales from Suprema. Before I start, I would like to tell you why do we present CoreStation case study. Around 3 years ago, Suprema launched access control controller CoreStation. There were already hundreds of controller manufacturers out there by the time. So why did we decide to develop a controller and launch it? Suprema is already a well-known company of the best performing biometrics. What was the goal of this challenge for? To answer this question, I would like to explain why Suprema do this business. Suprema, we believe every person's identity must be respected. We believe the identity is one of the values of human dignity. The way we challenge to preserve our belief is by making our products completely secure and solid to protect individuals' identity. That is why we make the world's most secure biometric device. CoreStation is the first Suprema access control controller in which our belief and our technology are concentrated. As a result, for the last 3 years, we could get very good case studies of CoreStation. I'm very glad that I can introduce one of them today in Turkey. During this presentation, you will learn about what facts exist at the site. Second, what challenges the customer faced. Third, what solution we provide. Lastly, what benefits they finally got. Meyer Group, Suprema's long-term valued partner in Turkey, they figured out what Bosch needed after detailed consultation with Bosch and suggested CoreStation system. Turkey became the manufacturer and export hub, which is also growing in importance as a research and development. Bosch Group operates 4 factories and offices in Istanbul, Bursa, Izmir, and Tekirdağ in Turkey. More than 10,000 of employees work there. The facts we figured out at the site were: first, there were several applications run for management. Second, fingerprint and card authentication were used. And third, more than 10,000 employees were working. Bosch used to have a system with RFID reader, but needed to replace to new system. The main challenge was that their existing system was very slow to manage many users. Another challenge was there was no single application that can control the entire system. So how did we solve the problems? Let's look at them in more detail. Meyer suggested CoreStation because it's able to handle a large number of users and integrates third-party RFID reader. CoreStation is able to handle up to 500,000 users with an incredible matching speed. Meyer offered their total management software. By integrating CoreStation hardware with Meyer software, we could satisfy Bosch. As you can see the configuration here, Legic readers connect to CoreStation by weekend. Door contacts, locks are also connected to CoreStation. More than 600 units of Legic readers are installed in 250 units of CoreStation to all access points in 4 regions in Turkey. Also, 120 units of Suprema fingerprint reader BioStation 2 are installed on turnstiles at the entrances. Access control, time and attendance, canteen management, and visitor management are running efficiently by one single Meyer software. It provides Bosch with convenient, stable, and fast system. The project succeeded with the CoreStation performance, matching speed, and user capacity, no more time-consuming delays for employees. Secure and robust system brought the return on investment as it saves annual budget for security. All applications are centrally controlled, managed, and monitored. It's very efficient. Let's take a look at a short interview video with Meyer.
What was this project for?
Bosch Group has invested into Turkey. They established factories and operates 4 offices with more than 10,000 employees. They need solid and fast access control solutions and also total management solutions software that can support variety features they need.
Okay. How did you win the project?
Yes, Meyer is well known, the best software company, carries diverse features such as access control, time and attendance, and content management, and etc. We are able to develop any special scenarios requested by the customer. Suprema CoreStation is also known the solid performance that can perform thousands of users. The combination of powerful hardware with Meyer software, we are able to win the project.
How did you find advantage of installing CoreStation compared to other controllers?
CoreStation is very intuitive hardware that makes install very easy. It has enough user capacity, up to 500,000 users. One CoreStation can support up to 132 weekend readers, which is very cost effective. CoreStation supports 1.4 gigahertz octa-core CPU, so speed is very fast and up to 400,000 matches per second. Clients were very satisfied with CoreStation performance.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you for watching this video. Keep enjoying Suprema Connect.